Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a complete first look at the 2026 Volvo XC60, one of the most stylish and luxurious midsize SUVs expected to arrive, with a refreshed design, advanced hybrid technology, and premium Scandinavian comfort. If you're looking for a family SUV that combines elegance, safety, performance, and modern technology, then this could be one of the best choices in its class. In today's video, we'll explore the exterior, interior, engine, technology, safety features, expected price, and everything else you need to know about the new 2026 Volvo XC60. So let's get started. The moment you see the 2026 Volvo XC60, it's easy to recognize Volvo's clean Scandinavian design philosophy. The SUV looks modern, elegant, and confident from every angle. Finished in a stunning metallic red color, the XC60 shines beautifully under showroom lights, giving it a premium appearance that immediately attracts attention. At the front, the SUV features Volvo's signature grille with the iconic Iron Mark logo positioned proudly in the center. On both sides are the famous Thor's Hammer LED headlights. Now slimmer and sharper than before, these intelligent LED lights not only improve nighttime visibility but also give the XC60 a distinctive look that stands out on the road. The redesigned front bumper includes larger air intakes and clean aerodynamic lines that improve airflow while adding a sporty touch. The sculpted hood features elegant character lines that flow naturally toward the windshield. Moving to the side profile, the 2026 XC60 displays balanced proportions and smooth body lines. Chrome window surrounds, flush-style door handles, and premium alloy wheels create a luxurious appearance. The slightly raised ride height gives the SUV a confident road presence while maintaining excellent aerodynamics. Large 20-inch or optional 21-inch alloy wheels complete the exterior design. The multi-spoke wheel design perfectly matches the metallic red body color, while ventilated brake discs provide strong braking performance. At the rear, the signature vertical LED taillights continue to define Volvo's identity. A clean tailgate, integrated roof spoiler, sporty rear bumper, and elegant exhaust finishers give the SUV a sophisticated finish. Every detail reflects Volvo's commitment to timeless Scandinavian styling. Overall, the exterior design is both modern and practical, making the XC60 suitable for families as well as luxury SUV enthusiasts. Now let's step inside. Opening the doors reveals one of the finest interiors in the luxury SUV segment. Volvo continues its tradition of minimalist Scandinavian craftsmanship, using premium leather, natural wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and soft-touch materials throughout the cabin. The dashboard has a clean and uncluttered design. At the center sits a large vertical touchscreen infotainment system running Google's latest built-in operating system. Drivers can access Google Maps, Google Assistant, music streaming, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and vehicle settings through a smooth and responsive interface. Behind the steering wheel is a fully digital instrument cluster displaying speed, navigation, safety alerts, driving modes, battery information for hybrid models, and customizable driving data. The leather steering wheel feels premium in hand and features integrated controls for audio, cruise control, and driver assistance functions. The front seats are designed for exceptional comfort during long journeys. They offer heating, ventilation, memory functions, multiple power adjustments, and excellent lumbar support. Rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making the XC60 an excellent family vehicle. The panoramic glass roof fills the cabin with natural light, creating an open and spacious atmosphere. Ambient lighting enhances the premium experience, especially during nighttime driving. Volvo is also expected to include a premium Bowers & Wilkins audio system that delivers crystal clear sound quality throughout the cabin.
No, we could catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my fingertips all night, all night. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. I've been in the hallway, no use for all the rules. What you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising under moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows overhead. Checking my maps, heading the stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me, and you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still you expect me to make it do pleasantries, baby, I'm yours. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. I've been in the hallway, no use for all the rules. So what you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. We could catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my fingertips all night, all night. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. I've been in the hallway, no use for all the rules. What you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising under moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows overhead. Checking my maps, heading the stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door.